I think the important thing about Orbis and Allan Gray is that we do encourage individuality. So people can be quite different and do quite different things and still be part of the group. And I think there's just a few very base rules. Look, there's probably only two I think that are really critical. And I think the one would be, I think we really put the client interests in front of our own, even if it's something the client doesn't see. And the other thing which I think we do is we take a very long-term approach to things. So we're often willing to invest capital for 5 or 6 years, get no return on it, in the hope that it will really be something valuable at the end of it. And I think you just live those things with the people that work with you. You have to constantly do it, show them. You can tell people these things, but if you don't do it, they wouldn't do it. But inside that, we're all different. We have different strengths, different weaknesses, myself and in the other people in Australia and in the group. Maintaining that individual responsibility for stocks, I think that's a great competitive advantage. What led the Contrarian model make sense? They've just seen it work enough. And I've seen enough statistical evidence to say this really works over time, and many times. And even if you look at market histories from the time before I was in the market, you can see how every so often you get these enormous bubbles in asset classes. They never last. They sometimes go much further than you ever thought, but they never last.